Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In 1834, a Hakka named Zhang Shouran immigrated to Taiwan from China and founded the town of Beipu in Hsinchu County. The first house he built still stands today and remains inhabited by his descendants, called the Tianshui Tang. A special feature of Zhang's traditional Hakka house is a series of altars built atop the walls.
已有170多年历史的天水堂位于新竹县北埔乡，是开拓先民江秀鸾的故居，也是北埔聚落内最大的民宅。天水堂为一座一堂6横的三合院，屋前开阔，屋后依靠着秀鸾山，院墙上设有祭拜天神的神龛，是客家民宅特色之一。Alright, guys, it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And today we're talking about a town called Beipu that's found in Hsinchu County. And there's a lot of great stuff over there, including an old street that you can shop around. Also, a lot of old buildings, a lot of Hakka culture, basically.
还有都被铺了，听说喝绿茶。
Okay, Alice is telling me to drink something. 喝绿茶。哦，绿茶有教过啦，知道啦，擂茶嘛。
没错。
Oh, okay, yeah. If you go to this town, you have to try their lei tea. Okay, a lei tea is a very special Hakka tea. And as I know, it's made of a lot of great stuff that I love anyways. Green tea, peanuts, rice, and also sesame, just to name a few.
好，来复习一下
这个怎么用 Hakka 讲，对不对？ Let's teach you how to say those ingredients in Hakka.
反挑
是什么？
豆豆的话是什么？
哦，是花生吗？ OK, 反挑 is peanuts.
还有
米就是米咯 That's rice.
马
不要再骂我了。
我骂你
马She's saying something really bad, but I know it's 芝麻，对不对？
对
That's sesame. 马and 绿茶咯。绿茶 That's green tea. So those are the main ingredients in lei tea. And if you go try it, you can have it as a sweet tea or a salty tea as well.
有鹹嘅，
鹹嘅是鹹的，對不對？
對
That's salty.
甜嘅，
甜的嘛。
Okay,
so let's go ahead and review those ingredients again. There is peanuts.
反
挑 There's rice.
米
There's 芝麻 which is sesame.
马
I know that one. 马 And also 绿茶 which is green tea.
綠茶
That's the ingredients of lei tea. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
是我大家
安子 say 上来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.